Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are learning an inside turn in our basic step.
So this will make your dancing so much more interesting. You will have much more than just that basic with rotation. Something to keep in mind before we even get to this, you don't want to do 500 of these turns. Try to pick a couple of cool moments in the dance to highlight.
Awesome, let's break that down.
Sweet, here we go. We're gonna show you this together because it makes more sense that way. We're in our regular frame. I'll show you the side basic just so we can put it in context. At this point, I drop my hand, she spins. Are we gonna do that turn or the other turn?
Other turn.
Okay, we're gonna do a different turn. We can teach you that one as well, but we're gonna do this turn. There we go. Cool. We don't really need to break down the footwork because the footwork stays the exact same. Something to note about the footwork that we do not rotate at all during the spin. You're gonna rotate a bunch before and after, but during the spin we have to stay square. But let's talk about what we do with the frame.
Yes.
Sound good? Come on in. We're gonna talk about my right side first because that's what we have to think about first. When I am, well, let's connect it to the footwork in a second. We're gonna drop the arm here. Anna Marie also drops her arm. And then at this point, I'm gonna spin Anna Marie in this way. So it's called an inside turn. I'm spinning my arm towards the inside of the frame. So I drop this arm, Anna Marie drops her arm, and we spin this way.
Yeah.
Let's show that in context, then maybe you can talk a little bit about your footwork since there is a little bit of a shift in what you're doing. So I do half of the basic. I go to the side 1, 2, 3. When I tap my feet, right arm goes down, or Anna Marie's left arm. When I head back this way, I have to draw a circle around Anna Marie's head, and then we're pretty much done.
Yes, so things to note for followers, our footwork does change a little since we're turning. I don't know if you want to go down to my feet for just a moment.
Let's start with the first half of the basic. Nothing changes for her there.
From here, I'm gonna go out, kind of make my turn a little smaller, and then match up with Matthew at the end.
Something to note there is that I'm continuing to do the side close side, so Anna Marie has to kind of do the side close side as well. If she doesn't do that, she's gonna get really far ahead. Let's show what that looks like. If she continues moving, she ends up way far to my side over here, which then is problematic for getting back together. But if she does the side close side, as I do the side close side, we're pretty solid there.
Yes.
I don't think there's much else to talk about. There are some little detailed things I think that the follower can do. The leader doesn't do much at all other than look at the follower the whole time during the spin.
Yeah, one thing on that is when you are turning, I would say don't let your arm get in weird positions as you're going around. Like let your arm get behind you. It'll feel unstable and just not comfortable and not look good.
Yeah, you know, I like what you said there because if we give the visual of the arm just staying in front, so Anna Marie's arm is in front of her, right? If she keeps her arm in front the entire time, some people say following the elbow around, it makes sense to me. It should look pretty good.
Yeah, so that's my tips for followers frame.
What about where you're looking?
Where I'm looking, I would say I am looking where I'm going or spotting Matthew.
Yeah, some people find it easier to look that way. So if we turn towards the camera, if we do our half basic, she would look at the camera and then at me at the end, or she could just look at me the whole time. Yeah. I don't think there's much else to talk about there. Any other pointers?
So either, nope.
Cool, what are we gonna do next time?
Next time we are learning our highlight.
Sweet, we'll see you then.